forecast error variance decompositions, or what we simply call the variance decompositions. So when we talk about forecast error, other books will just call it variance or variance error. The change in error, forecast error, the variance, the forecast error, you just call it the variance. That's why we call it variance decomposition or forecast error decomposition. So that one simply means the variance. How will error change? So a variance decomposition tells us what percentage of forecast error, or what you are calling the uncertainties, what percentage of forecast error of a variable is explained by shocks to each of the other variables in the system. So if we shock one variable, if there is a shock in one variable, what will happen to the uncertainties, or what percentage of forecast error of the other variables will change? So it tells us how much the forecast error variance of each variable can be explained by shocks in itself and shocks in other variable. So if we have a variable A, let me explain a bit. So we have a variable A, yeah, and then we have a variable B here. So this variable B, it can also be affected by itself. So we have a variable B there. So the error of this variable B, the error here, this error is what we are calling the forecast error. So what will explain this error? What percentage of A will explain the shock or the error in B? What percentage of B will explain an error in B? So you want to see, is it 90? This one can be 90%. This one can be 10%. So you want to see what proportion of error in B is explained by the shocks in A and the shocks in B. That is what we are calling the forecast error variance decomposition. That's why we are saying it tells us how much forecast error of each variable can be explained by the shock in itself and the shocks in other variable. So in this case, the forecast error variance of each variable, so this variable, let's assume it is B, can be explained by the shock in itself. So this itself is this B here, and the shocks of other variables. So other variables is A in this case. So that is what we look at when you are talking about the forecast error variance decomposition. So any question? Okay, we can explain it further. That think of it like this: if we want to forecast future stock prices, there is always some uncertainty. There is always some uncertainty. So the variance decomposition tells us how much of that uncertainty is caused by unexpected changes or shocks in stock prices, interest rate, company earnings, etc. So this helps us figure out which variables are the most important drivers of a specific variable in our model.